Want to save 4.5 lakhs per month on your fuel cost without changing your boiler? One FMCG plant in Fazilika, Punjab does same. With Steamax retrofitting solution, converting from oil to biomass, they save around 4.5 lakhs on their monthly fuel cost. The plant in Punjab switched from oil to biomass. Biomass is a clean and green fuel that is available in many industrial zones. This includes wood chips, pellets, briquettes, and Astillas. These biomass fuels are better for the environment. They cuts your carbon emission and also cuts your fuel cost. The plant in Fazilika, Punjab was using 10 TPH oil-fired boiler that was running on LSHS, a very costly fuel. They needed around 350 tons of steam per month. With LHSH that was costing around 55 rupees per litre, the total monthly fuel cost was about 19 lakhs per month. Here where the Steamax enters. Steamax give them a solution of oil to biomass retrofitting kit without changing their boiler. Now their boiler is running on biomass and even they are running using Astillas as their biomass fuel, which cost around 12 to 15 rupees per kg. The steam to fuel ratio that was around 12:1 when they were using oil now comes down to 5.25 by 1 on Astillas. Now their monthly biomass usage is 61 tons per month. After switching to biomass, their monthly steam cost came down to 14.60 lakh including everything, fuel, manpower and other charges. Steam cost dropped to 3.70 per kg, saving the plant approximately 4.5 lakh every month. That's more than 54 lakh is saving every year without replacing their boiler. Steamax took care of everything: biomass, fuel supply, manpower, equipment, even ash removal. If you have an oil-fired boiler and want to switch to biomass with saving 50% on your monthly fuel cost, along with staying compliant with emission norms, you can dial the number given in the description box or you can email us and write your inquiries. Thank you so much for watching this video.